a very beautiful Father's Day greeting card. You know that today is this month, June. Father's Day is coming on 20th June, Sunday. So many children, they requested me to teach Father's Day greeting card. So today I am going to teach you a Father's Day greeting card in very simple manner. What material you require? You need a sketch pen, you need your pencil, rubber, sharpener, eraser, scissor and fabric glue. Okay, so how to make, this is the cup shaped Father's Day greeting card I am going to teach you. For making this cup shaped Father's Day greeting card, what we have to do, we have to make a shape of cup on ivory chart. So I just drew a shape of cup on ivory chart. Over that I have used, this is the constructions papers, this craft papers, yellow color craft paper, same shape I have taken, and I have to with the help of the glue I have to paste this. Okay, just I have to take help of the glue I have to paste it with the help of the glue. So making this card is very simple card today I am teaching you. So hope you will enjoy and you will give as a gift to your father. So just first we will paste on this base this yellow color craft paper. You can paste any color craft paper, any light color you can take, like lemon yellow you can take. I have taken little darker shade of yellow, anything you can take. And on ivory chart only I have cut the eyes, circle eyes. You can make any other shape eyes also, whatever you like, because just it is a cartoon figure we are making. We will paste the eyes, 2 eyes we will paste, one by one we will paste the eyes. Then other features, I am pasting mustaches. See, this is also I have cut on ivory chart, and with the help of the sketch pens I have colored it. So just I'll put a glue, this fabric glue I am putting, and I'll put a mustaches here. Okay, then what I'll do, a little hat, I'm just, this hat also I cut on the ivory chart, and this red color craft paper I pasted on that, and I just drew a line. Okay, this I will put in the side of the cup, this cap. Okay, now something is missing in this. What I will do, we'll take the help of the sketch pen, we'll draw the eyebrows. These eyes are not looking nice without eyebrows, so I'll just draw the eyebrows. And down something else is missing, you know, this is a mouth part. So down with the help of the sketch pen we will draw the mouth. Or you want, you can take the help of your red color paper, you can cut in the moon shape and you can paste. So this is your Father's Day. Little more darker I will do the eyebrows, because it is gents eyebrows, they are not so thin like ladies. So this is the eyebrows. Okay, so I have and if you want you can put a small nose also here. Just triangle you make with the brown color sketch pen. This is the nose. So this is, and now if you open this card, inside you can write a message to your father. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. It's a very simple card. Hope everybody will make this type of card or any other type of card, whatever you like, and you will wish your father on Father's Day, that is on 20th June. Thank you children watching me.